This is why you should pop your hood once in a while. This customer was driving and had a misfire. All of a sudden, when we got it here, popped the hood, there was a nice rodent's nest built up in the back. As I started digging through the rodent's nest and got to the bottom of it, I discovered chewed up wires, spark plug wires, injector wires, a couple other faults, just because the rodents got hungry. One of the things that we do to be preventative and or after we do a repair, once we find a rodent invasion, is we spray this mist throughout the vehicle. The idea is to get it in all the nooks and crannies to repel the rodents from wanting to forage or re-nest or just kind of hang out inside your vehicle. The goal is to be preventative and repel them from wanting to come into the vehicle. Some of those things can be prevented by just checking once in a while. Now, if you live in certain areas, squirrels, other rodents will look for a home. If you're unsure if there's been a home invasion in your car, stop by a Gills Point S near you and we'll make sure it's safe.